Let's talk about planning permission for conservation areas and areas of outstanding natural beauty. Now, you can install solar panels in conservation areas, although you won't be able to install them on a roof or wall that faces a highway without permission from the council. There are regulations as to what counts as facing a highway. And for example, I was recently involved in a project where a roof in a conservation area faced a public highway. However, the highway was on a public footpath on the other side of a river, and it was over 150 meters away from the roof. And the local council was okay with that. Unfortunately, it does slightly depend on your local planning officers and their interpretation of what is acceptable. Now, the roof typically counts as facing a highway if it's between 0 and 45 degrees from being perpendicular to it. Any other installation in conservation area is totally acceptable. Although the planning regs do state that if the panels aren't being used, they should be removed as soon as possible. When it comes to areas of outstanding natural beauty, the rules are largely dependent on your local planning department. And unfortunately, again, it comes down to the opinions of your local officials. If you are in an AONB, pop your local planning office an email. However, the rules should be fairly similar to that of a conservation area, if not a bit more relaxed. Spirit Energy can apply on your behalf, and we can also prepare planning drawings and location drawings and block plans. If you'd like some help with this, then please do get in touch.